Bienvenue ya bene muri kito fatgad gisemba to gosukabosyo abo bisa ba clinical kose clinical officer ni go bayranire emirimo rimuriuka magega ya serikali ya county ya Nyamira kobeka SEO kuibwana anane eyo kuirane emirimo na barabo magega yoko basomogiro bw'emirimo asegeka kyamatuku 15 Okwana ni okona chinga kicho abagakora umuyoboyu okobeka SEI umugabana we county ya Nyamira Amoski Mominyalibo nigo aberega kurukulia wachase abo bisa abateresa abo bari asomugiro kuirane mirimo elyo wekirania obukari burubiya wacha asaba inchi anene kurwase county ya Nyamira asensema yabo abo bisa ba clinical nigo bakora unere John Ongoyo nigo babere bakoralia kochi wekira okuibwanuko nago chikwirana emirimo rimuriuka ase babere bakurira yo chikogendera gukora emirimo yabo asenchira ere eyo boyikira.
That the Union of Clinical Officers have agreed to put aside the strike and they go back and save our people. I know for the time you've been on strike, people have really suffered, and we urge also the nurses to join the queue and come back to work so that we can save our people. We always talk and agree, and whatever we have agreed before, we have implemented. So I ask you, as you go back, remember we are the same people. We know your CPS moderate the most of it over because we are in an economy where maybe there's a lot of suffering. This friendly fire can kill. So make sure that the friendly fire is moderated so that we can build Kenya together. Tukorigia tuancherane na wa yagitari bakoro kwa Union ya Clinical Officers barago mirenga kietarinke lakini lero banchire baidane gas. Ye yato kakoro ase enkwana atwari na barabo amatuko aitire aitu akorete igoro maramo igo ko bagrambi yamana soko ira negas ande guchimotwe bataragoma tiato sana semesa ikiao ko gomo ko ndete yogo penebit ikino ko musanana otabwati faida ndions igo nimewapea pongezi ndani ya gasi wali wananchi wa Nyamira.